Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you
How to buy ApeCoin on Binance exchange.
First, you need to open the Binance exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First of all, you need to click on trade. After that, you will come to a page like this. Again, you need to click here. Then you have to search here for APE. USDT. After that, you have to click here and select the market option for instant buying. Then you need to enter the amount you want to purchase. So I will put $100 here. After that, you have to click on buy APE here. After clicking here, your APE coins will be bought within the Binance exchange. In this way, you can buy APE coins in the Binance exchange. If you like our video, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this.